Today I'm going to mount a scope onto this long range rifle. Okay, I want to get the scope leveled off of the Picatinny rail. As soon as it's level, I'm going to put this one on the end of the barrel and I'm going to make a match. Alright, that's good right there. Okay, take that level off. We'll get our rings ready. Put our rings on, just set them on here loosely. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now let's get our scope. Make sure that that is where we want the rings. And it looks like that's good. Alright. Now we're going to take a torque screwdriver. Okay? So we can torque these to inch-pounds. We're going to go ahead and snug them up while pushing down on the scope ring and forward towards the end of the muzzle. Okay? We're just going to get these to where they kind of hold in place. And then we'll go ahead and torque them. Now obviously the reason for holding it forward on the Picatinny rail is so when the gun fires and it recoils, the scope doesn't move. Okay? So we got those snugged down. Now we're just going to go until the torque screwdriver clicks. Now, on these particular rings, on the package, it came with a Vortex card. Okay, it says tighten base clamps to 45 to 50 inch-pounds. Alright, and I got the torque screwdriver set on 50 inch-pounds. So now that I got those torqued, I'll just check them again, make sure that they stayed. Okay, now let's get these caps off of here. Now don't mix the caps up obviously, because you want them to go on the same way they came off. Okay, so just set them off to the side, just exactly how you took them off. Because these rings are cut together, so it was within 5/1000ths of an inch of true. So that's why we don't have to lap these rings. Okay, we got those off of there. Let's go ahead and position the scope. I would say that's pretty close to where. Now this scope does have a level mounted on it, because I have used it before. So I'm going to go ahead and get my barrel level again. And then I'm going to make this scope sit level. I can check it at the top of the turret and I can tell it's just a little off. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to set these caps on here exactly how I took them off. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. I'm going to get the screws started. Now I want to kind of keep the gap in my scope rings the same. Now, I made that so the gaps are pretty equal, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Alrighty. Now I got them tightened down with just finger tight here. But I got them all sucked down pretty equal. So let's double check our level. And we're pretty good. Alright. Now, this piece of paper says, with the rifle scope properly positioned, alternate tightening the ring screws at a crisscross pattern to 18 inch-pounds. Okay? While maintaining even spacing on my ring gap. So, turn this bad boy down to 18 inch-pounds. That's right there. 18 inch-pounds. Go ahead and torque those down in that crisscross pattern. And let's double check them. Okay. Alright, we're torqued down, we're level, good to go, and that's all there is to it. Now, this gun should be ready to shoot a mile. Thanks for watching.